Numbers are something that we all interact with on a daily basis. They hold a special place in our lives. Whether it is the income that one makes, the floor they live on, their age, the number of kids, the amount of money in the bank account, and just about everything else. This post will help you learn Numerology 101. With this in mind, numerology is the study of the direct correlation with the divinity and nature. It is a complex subject which covers just about everything that we experience throughout our lives. Learn numerology for beginners by reading this post. In order to master the basics of numerology, one needs to master the basics of arithmetic while also gaining an understanding of each of the vibrations at the same time. Calculations. Now, if you want to learn numerology, then you need to know the calculations and their interconnection. It is important for you to be familiar with the number-to-letter correlation chart. Use it as a tool to have with while you learn numerology and make calculations accurately and quickly. Here is a simplification of the chart in order to enable you to easily understand it. The number 1 represents the alphabets A, J and S. The number 2 represents the alphabets B, K and T. The number 3 represents the alphabets C, L and U. Number 4 represents the alphabets D, M and V. Number 5 represents alphabets E, N and W, and number 6 represents alphabets F, O, and X. Number 7 is for alphabets G, P and Y, while number 8 is for H, Q and Z. Finally, the alphabets I and R are represented by 9. Let's look at an example of an exotic Arabic name, Ahad Nakfi. A equals 1, N equals 5. H equals 8, A equals 1. A equals 1, Q equals 8. D equals 4, volts equals 4. I equals 9. Ahad 1 plus 8 plus 1 plus 4 equals 14, 2-digit rule, 1 and 4 equals 14. Nakfi 5 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 9 equals 27, 2-digit rule, 2 plus 1 equals 3. It isn't necessary to use the first, middle and last name, as only the first and last name are sufficient to find out the vibration. Understand number vibrations. Each alphabet has a number vibration. There are a total of 11 vibrations, 1 to 9 and 11 to 22. All of these have a different characteristic and quality which is either over or under balanced. Below is a simple breakdown of every one of these. 1. People that have a life number of 1 are considered to the leaders. It would be characterized by their independent behavior and would determine their vibrations according to numerology. 2. If someone gets a 2, it means that they are diplomatic and sensitive. They also are known to be the peacemakers. 3. For people with a vibration number 3, emotion is something easily comes to them. 3 symbolizes the masters of expression. You will find them to be imaginative, creative and happy. 4. They are considered to be one of the most practical people when it comes to life. Hard work is what they believe is the sole factor that determines success. They are highly efficient and organized. 5. 5 actually means freedom. Individuals with this vibration will find that they thrive in an environment that is flexible and they are allowed to do as they want. You will find them spreading their wings when they are free. 6. The number 6 has a special meaning in life and religion. It represents humility and love. You will find such individuals to be harmonious and domesticated. 7. Another number which is represented many times in religions such as Islam and Christianity is 7. It depicts understanding and truth. Individuals with this vibration number are perfectionists who are analytical at the same time. 8. Authority is what the number is known for. They are skillful, goal-driven and powerful. They will be found in positions where they have great power. 9. It is the sign of universal love. Devotion, generosity and acceptance are values that they value most in life and would fight for. 11. The 11s are illuminated. One of the unique things about them is that they have the ability to take on characteristics of 2s. However, their presence is for awareness and worldliness. 22. They are known to be the master builder and have all of the same capabilities as are found in a 4. They have the power to achieve the unimaginable. You will find them to be ingenious, innovative and truly gifted. Different types of numbers. There are 3 different types of numbers. These are psychic, destiny and name numbers. We have looked a bit into name numbers in this Learning Numerology for Beginners post. Let's take a look at the remaining 2. Psychic number. This number relates to the way an individual would look at himself or herself. It represents the basic traits which a person has and the goals he or she has in life. Their elementary abilities are also explained by the number, and it is these which enable them to succeed in their goals. To calculate your psychic number, you need to consider your birth date. For example, 30th of December would have the psychic number of 3 plus 0 equals 3. Destiny number. The truest sense of how the outside world sees the individual is signified by the destiny number. Karma is something which many people use for determining the pattern. It is a reflection of the actions of a person which impact the way that person is viewed. Both the destiny and psychic number have their own significance. In order to calculate the destiny number, the sum of the year of birth, month and date of the person. For example, let's look at the name that was mentioned earlier, Ahad Naqvi. He was born on the December 30th, 1995. So, his destiny number would be 12 plus 3 plus 0 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 5 equals 39, 3 plus 9 equals 12. Try it out yourself. Now that you know how to calculate your psychic, destiny and name number, you should try it out yourself and find out what your values are. If you want to help your friends learn numerology fast, then you should share this article on your social media. Click the link in the description to get your free personalized numerology report. It was nice connecting with you.